Once Elon Musk moved the whole markets with just one tweet, and now it seems like he's ready to play again. What implication will this decision have on SAFEMOON's price and value? Well, we're about to find out in today's video, so make sure to stick around until the very end because I'm going to revealing some major interesting news that'll get you thinking real hard. Elon Musk is a tech billionaire and the chief executive officer of Tesla. Disclaimer. What's going on, SAFEMOON Army? Many thanks for taking the time to watch the channel. Anything that Elon Musk does makes headline, and this time around he's taking a huge step that might flip the world of SAFEMOON upside down. In today's video, we're going to take a look at some really fascinating news. Be sure to keep watching. But before we get to that, please hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell icon beside that way. You'll be the first to know when there's a video up on the channel. With that out of the way, let's take a look at today's video. Before we get to Elon Musk and his latest shenanigans, here's some fantastic news for SAFEMOON project. It is possible that SAFEMOON could soon be available on one of Australia's most important cryptocurrency exchanges. For those who are unaware, CoinSpot is one of the most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges in Australia. It was founded in 2013 and has been operating since then. Over the course of these years, the exchange has built a reputation for being the most secure and trusted trading platform in Australia. Furthermore, despite the arrival of competitors such as SwiftX Digital Search and other top Australian crypto exchanges, CoinSpot remains the largest and most popular crypto platform with over 2.5 million users, which is a huge number. To begin, it will assist us in establishing a presence in Australia, which is one more continent that SAFEMOON message gets to. Secondly, this is the largest exchange in Australia with more than 2.5 billion users, which is a huge customer base that SAFEMOON can leverage on. As you can clearly see, having SAFEMOON make an appearance on this platform will be very beneficial for us as a community. Will SAFEMOON get listed? It seems quite likely based on recent conversations. In response, CoinSpot stated that the request had been forwarded to the development team directly. Following this, Hayden Wing invited a CoinSpot representative for a conversation. Could a listing be in the works? As you can see, the likelihood of this happening is quite high and the SAFEMOON army is looking forward to it very much. In any case, make sure to stay subscribed to find out this discussion come to an end and when the SAFEMOON will be making its way to CoinSpot. Alright, let's get to the main news. What has Elon Musk been up to this time around? Well, he has sold off a significant portion of Tesla's Bitcoin holdings, which is equivalent to a whopping 75% of the company's total Bitcoin holdings. Now, what was the impetus behind this? As reported by The Verge, Tesla has already reported its vehicle shipment numbers for the second quarter, and its full financial report for the second quarter of 2022 reveals that the company is struggling with inflation, the overall economic downturn, as well as a plunge in the prices of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Tesla executive revealed in the letter to investors that the company had sold 75% of its Bitcoin holdings, which resulted in an increase of $936 million in cash on the company's balance sheet. If you remember, Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin last year while simultaneously announcing that it will now accept Bitcoin payment. However, shortly after the automaker resigned its decision and stopped accepting Bitcoin as payment, citing environmental damage as the reason according to the late reports. Is this the end of Bitcoin and Musk attempting to cash out everything implodes? Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that the company only sold Bitcoin because it was desperate need of cash. Despite Musk's assertion, it is difficult to avoid drawing some kind of conclusion from a move like this, and one has to wonder how the news of this move has affected the cryptocurrency market in general and SAFEMOON in particular. If you remember, the news of Tesla pouring more than $1 billion into the company initially sent SAFEMOON prices tumbling. It certainly seems that way, and this excellent news for obvious reasons. In the past, altcoins like SAFEMOON have been the mercy of vocal crypto whales like Elon Musk, whose announcement and activities in the market are always interpreted as some kind of action. If Elon Musk's comments have lost their effect in the cryptocurrency market, then the market becomes healthier and safer, and SAFEMOON can really grow to reach its fullest potential. Despite the fact that the news of Musk's selling of Tesla's Bitcoin holding may not have any impact on the market, Michael Saylor believes that this is a decision that Musk may come to regret. Saylor is not directly referring to Musk in the statement, however, he is making the statement in reference to Musk. Saylor's thinly disguised tweet made it plain what he felt of Musk's choice and his opinion, and it wasn't a good one. However, this couldn't come as a surprise given that Saylor is an ardent and vocal champion for Bitcoin, and he even advised Musk to invest in Bitcoin at one point in time. Even the cryptocurrency industry was experiencing a bear market in 2022, Saylor has made it clear that MicroStrategy is fully committed to Bitcoin. Saylor adds that his company constructed its balance sheet such that it may continue to keep Bitcoin through difficulties. The software manufacturing company has close to 130,000 Bitcoin, which is equivalent to around $2.9 million at the present pricing. Intriguingly, MicroStrategy has continued to buy the dip during the bad market for cryptocurrencies in the month of June. Saylor said that the business had purchased another 480 Bitcoin for over $10 million at an average price of almost $20,000 per coin. It is possible to remark that this demonstrates the Saylor's unwavering faith in Bitcoin, and one who does so would be accurate. In a market where everyone is freaking out and wondering if this is the end, Saylor continues to buy the div. Is there something he knows that he's not saying? At the very least, his strategy adheres to the time-tested investment principle of diversification. However, one can't help but wonder if Saylor knows something that no one else does. When everyone else is greedy, you should be scared, but when everyone is fearful, you should be greedy. What are your thoughts on Musk's plan to sell off his Bitcoin holdings? Do you think this is a good or terrible move? Please share your opinions with me by writing them in the comment section below. I'd be interested to know what you think. How big do you believe the cryptocurrency community has the potential to get? According to the findings of this analysis, the number of people using cryptocurrency would reach 1 billion by the year of 2030. According to a joint analysis produced by the Boston consulting organization Bidjet and Foresight Ventures, the cryptocurrency business is still very much at the starting phase of its acceptance curve. This demonstrates that SAFEMOON holders are still really early to the party. According to BCG, just 0.3% of individual wealth is invested in cryptocurrencies, which is incomparable to the 25% of wealth that is invested in stocks. The data reveals that cryptocurrency adoption is still quite low compared to traditional financial assets. The reports come to a conclusion that low level of investment penetration indicates that there is still significant amount of room for more substantial growth and adoption within cryptocurrency industry. In addition, the report compares adoption curve to reach 1 billion users online with the adoption curve of current cryptocurrency holders and Ethereum addresses with non-zero balances. As I've shown you in previous videos, SAFEMOON is definitely going to make it out of this crypto bear market, and by the time the bull run hits, many illegitimate projects will have been flushed out with a crypto winter, leaving worthy projects like SAFEMOON to truly succeed naturally. As a result of this, a large portion of 1 billion users who are predicted to join the cryptocurrency market will flow into the SAFEMOON platform. Let me know what you think about everything we discussed today by leaving a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. As always, please like the video and leave a comment in the comment section. This helps me with the YouTube algorithm.